pals! It's me, that's Joseph Kisinamal from BSN English 2A. Before we start, I have questions for you. Ooh, do you feel the heat? Do you feel the sticky sweat? Well, it's a sign. It's summertime. So since vacation is now rapidly approaching and the temperature now is getting whew, whew, hot, I know that kids and even adults want to have a dessert that is delicious and heat reliever. So for today's demonstration, I'm going to make an all-time favorite dessert for kids and kids at heart. It's Grahams with a twist. So what is the twist? This is a cookies and cream Grahams. This is not a typical Graham because it has ice cream and cookies as toppings. So it's a secret. This is my very first time to do this demonstration or this experimentation, guys. So please bear with me and I hope it will have a good results. So come on, let's join me in making this cookies and cream Graham. For the ingredients of this cookies and cream Graham, we need Graham crackers for our base, crushed Grahams for our toppings, 2 chilled all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and for the twist, we will put cream oat cookies and cookies and cream flavor ice cream for the Graham to be more unique. But before we start, we need to wash our hands first to maintain the cleanliness of the food that we are preparing, because the safety of the people that will eat our food will be the #1 priority. So let's go! Are you ready? Let's start. In a container, we will put the chilled all-purpose cream and whisk it until the amount will be doubled. We can now put the condensed milk and mix it well until it becomes creamy. First layer, pile the Graham crackers in a container. After piling the crackers, apply the cream solution at the top of the Graham crackers. crush the cookies that will serve as the toppings in our graham. After that, put the crushed cookies at the top as the toppings and the crushed grahams to absorb the cream solution. For the second layer, place another layer of graham crackers and put the ice cream and flatten it at the top of the graham crackers. Ice cream, just pile another layer of graham crackers and apply another cream solution. Put the remaining crushed grahams at the top and put some cookies to look more presentable.
One eternity later.
And that's it. We are done. We can now put the finished cookies and cream graham in the freezer. Remember the procedures on how to make a cookies and cream graham. Just remember PAPR, or pile your crackers, apply the mixture, put crushed cookies, graham, and ice cream, and lastly, repeat the procedures. So guys, before I end this video, I want to leave some important words to you. Summer is a vacation time. This is the time to bond with your family and to relieve your stress, to relax from your stressful environment. I hope that this dessert that I've shared to all of you will be one of your stress and heat reliever. So making this dessert may help us to kill time and lessen the boredom, especially of what is happening now in our community because of the COVID-19 quarantine. It can also satisfy our cravings during this season. But be careful because this season can cause harmful diseases. So please keep hydrated and be cool as always. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. And please take care of yourselves, and goodbye for now, and see you soon. Bye bye.